Hey guys, today I wanted to touch on an issue that has been bothering me lately, and that is all of these so-called social media tool aficionados. It bugs me that they garner so much attention spewing out what is essentially full-length commercials telling you that you need to buy this brand of tool or that. In my videos, I'm committed to providing my honest insight about tools. It's good to keep quality in mind when buying tools. It is equally important to realize that the more you spend on the tool truck, the less you have for hobbies, vacation, and securing your financial independence. Now, the first thing that you need to bear in mind with any of these social media talking heads is that they do not have your best interests in mind. Their motives for the catchy unboxing videos and tool demos is obvious. Money. They are getting paid to make these videos. And there's nothing wrong with that. I'll admit I've watched plenty of them myself. But it is up to us as individuals to see through the BS and make smarter purchases. Do not let someone who doesn't have your best interests at heart tell you how to spend your money. Moving on from that, we should get to the core of the matter and ask, what do I need this tool to do? Does this tool need to be name brand? I've discussed lots of these basic hand tools, power tools, and specialty items that you can expect to use in your career. And the answer to that question is a solid maybe. You really should always be looking for a nice balance between quality and economy. I have abused a set of Harbor Freight wrenches since high school and they have never failed me. On the other hand, I would never buy a cheap line wrench. I would never buy a cheap ratchet. I only use Milwaukee power tools. But it is not because they pay me to say that. I've seen that in these specific cases, there is value in the name brand prices. So at the end of the day, it is up to you to make the choice about where you spend your hard-earned money. One thing I've noticed is that it was easier for me to spend big dollars on tools before I had a family. Growing older, desires change from keeping up appearances in the shop to experiencing life to the fullest outside of work. Pursuing hobbies, having the toys you want at home, taking great vacations, spoiling your spouse and children, owning vehicles, owning a house, having a nest egg to retire with. These are all things that I hope you all get to do. Making smart tool purchases makes that all much easier. To sum it all up, don't let opinions and personalities that don't care about you tell you to blindly buy a certain tool brand. You get to decide whether or not you want to be tool broke. You get to choose whether or not you need to keep up appearances at work or whether you want to experience life outside of work. Don't forget why we go there in the first place.